Hi everyone, welcome to another card making session, and I just want to start out by saying we're going through a lot right now with this virus, and I want to reach out and say that I hope everyone is well. I hope you, your family, your friends, everyone around you well. If you are sick, I hope you pull through and come through with a speedy recovery. We just have to look out for each other and follow the rules, I guess, and so we can get to this as fast as we could, because this is crazy. So today we're doing some cards using the Simon Says April card kit, and I'm home from work, so I have a lot of time on my hands, trying to stay healthy, trying to do what needs to be done to stay healthy. And right now I'm starting with card number 1, and hope you guys like the cards. I started one of the pre-printed water cardstock images that came in the kit, and I'm just using one of my watercolors. I think it's called Kyo, and you can see that in the camera right there. It's actually purchased that on Amazon. It was pretty cheap, and it colors. I love the colors, so I just colored it. And at the beginning, I actually made some section in the umbrella, so you can see I separated the umbrella so I can add more colors. So I'm just watercoloring this, very simple, and then I'm going to resize it and add it to a white card base. For card number 2, it's Umbrellas Galore, and I'm stamping the image on a piece of masking paper so I can use it to stamp a bunch of the umbrellas. So when you're doing masking, you stamp the image you want to be on the front of your scene first, and then you put the masking paper over that, and then you stamp everything else, and everything will act as the background for your main focal image, if that makes sense. So I'm stamping all my umbrellas around. Once I finish my stamping, I'm using some Copic markers to color the 4 umbrellas on the side, and the prominent main focal umbrella will be used. I will be using paper piecing to cut for that umbrella. And I'm going to use one of the beautiful papers that came in the kit. Once I finished all the coloring and paper piecing, the card I felt was a little busy in the front, so I didn't add a sentiment in the front of the card. I actually stamped it on the inside of the card. And it says, "You look fabulous even when it's raining." For card number 3, I started by coloring another one of the pre-printed watercolor cardstock. And I started out by coloring the entire image, but then by the end of the card, I only use certain parts of the image. And you see what I mean. I used a cloud stencil to color a background on a piece of cardstock and some tumbler glass distress ink. So I cut that piece of cardstock apart. As you can see, the rainbow is in pieces, and I'm also going to cut out some of the clouds using this stencil that came in the kit. Actually trace the clouds and cut them out freehand. And you can see I love that piece of cardstock with all the colors in it. It makes me think like the rainbow just exploded, so it's all the colors together. So that's gonna be at the end of the rainbow, and you'll see from the card. And this is the final card. As you can see, I used the word thunderstorms. So it says, after the thunderstorms comes the rainbow. And this card makes me think of what's going on right now. We're going through a thunderstorm, and by the end of the rainbow, we're going to be fine. So this is my card number 3. For card number 4, I stamped the main image twice, and I'm going to do a friend card or friendship card, and it's going to be mostly majority of paper piecing. So I hope you like this one too. Then I added the sentiment, friend, I'm here for you, rain or shine, and just colored the friend part of the sentiment, and that's it for my card. For card number 5, it's very simple. We'll just stamp the main image again. Also did some paper piecing so she can have a fly blue outfit with her umbrella, and just just add the sentiment, you look fabulous even when it's raining. And that's it for this 5 cards, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Again, stay safe, Don't forget to subscribe and put on your notifications, because here come the videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.